Yo, have you seen these? These things are insane. These are like sunglasses for your camera. And how quickly can you put them on? Well, just as fast as I could put on my own sunglasses. Don't believe me? Take them off. Back on. Off. On. Listen, 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 listen. Watch. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come closer. Watch, watch, watch. Listen. Listen to this. Listen to this. All right? Listen, listen. Here we go. Listen. That's crazy. That simple. Look. Why would you want to mess with anything else? How could you? Why would you? This is insane. Look. Look at this older one. Look, look, look. Where's the older one? This thing, this older one. Here. This older one. You gotta unscrew it. You gotta unscrew this thing. You gotta screw it on to the threading on the camera. Right? So I'm screwing it on. Look how long this thing. Look how long this takes. Screwing it on. Pretend I screwed it onto the camera, right? All right. Keep going. All right. Now, take the front cover off. Finally. Now you're ready to go. No, we're not going back to this. No. Anybody want to buy it? Here you go. You can have it. That's crazy. This, never again. We can't go back to this. Nope. I highly recommend you go ahead and get you one of these if you don't already have one. If you're feeling a little spicy, go ahead and get you 2 or 3. Why would you want more than one? Let me show you. These bad boys right here, they're stackable. Meaning you can go ahead and get you a variable ND filter, add a little mist. And for those of you who want to get even more creative, go ahead and slap on a blue morphic filter. There you go. Stackable. This is insane. So it makes things even cooler over there at PolarPro. They also have different combinations of filters. So you can get a variable ND plus a polarizer plus a mist filter all in one. Or again, you can just go ahead and stack them together. But be mindful because you do also have vignetting limitations when you go ahead and stack more and more of these together. So it might be a little bit wiser to go ahead and get the different filters that have the different combinations already combined in one single filter. So less vignetting. Like I said, this is like having sunglasses for your camera lens. Right now, I know it's not that much of a sunny day today, even though we're out here in sunny San Diego, but what we're gonna do anyways is kind of mimic the sunlight. So we're gonna add some ISO to it to brighten it up a bit. If it was overexposed like it is right now, let's say the ISO was as low as it can go and you wanted to keep your shutter speed the same as well as your aperture, the only thing you can do is add some other means of darkening your lens. So here we go with the ND filter. This is at a level 2. And as you can see now, that pretty much put it in pretty good exposure. So if I wanted to darken it, I can also do that. So let's say it got a little bit lighter and get it a little bit darker. Again, setting number 4. And we can do it on this filter 1 stop lower to 5. So that is an example of what a variable ND filter does or can do for your camera or your lens or your lighting. Okay, so again, let's say there was more light introduced by the sun or some other source. Since this ND filter only goes up to it's only 2 to 5, the only other thing I'd be able to do is get a darker ND filter. So I also have a 6 to 9. So I would take this one off and introduce the 6 to 9. Again, showing you how fast this thing is to change out. Let's say going inside from the sun, going into a room, I don't want to have to waste a lot of time unscrewing the filter. So all I have to do with this one is just very quickly grab it here, pull it off, and it's already off. So I can change my settings and be in whatever exposure I need to without the ND filter on my camera lens. And then again, if I need to hurry up and come back outside, instead of having to waste a lot of time screwing it back on, 1, 2, we're good. It's just that easy. Now that you know more about the MagLock system by PolarPro, let me know what you think down in the comment section below. And if you want to see more videos from this channel, please make sure you hit that notification bell, like, subscribe, and share so that we can continue growing this community and exchange our knowledge and our experiences. Until next time, keep grinding.